I am here in beautiful Costa Rica. I got here last night after a 24-hour journey, which they shoot me in the face. I'm here in Costa Rica. I'm here with a travel company called Bar and Barch. Sorry guys if I've pronounced it wrong. But it's basically, there's just a bunch of us girls, most of them are from America. I think there's 2 other girls that are English, and we're all in Costa Rica together. I'm so excited! And today's plan, I think we're doing a waterfall hike. We've got 2 waterfalls to go to. So I'm just gonna go down now and have some breakfast. This is an OOTD, just my pink shirt, shorts, and then I've got my bikini on. And I've got my Birkies, but I'm gonna put my trainers on because I'm sort of hiking. But yeah, welcome to Costa Rica. I'm gonna bring you along with me. Oh my god, it's gonna get all of my fingers. And the waiter came over and said, try my hot sauce, we make it here. And I was like, okay, I'll try some. It is so hot. No one else's reaction was like as bad as mine. It was disgusting, no offense to the waiter. It was horrid. And I can still taste it. Like in the back of my throat.
There's not much snow, but it's
I just wanted to say that. It tastes like really fresh, but just really fucking hot. Anyway. That was fun. Look how cute this little restaurant is. We're looking at all the different novelty cups. Look the ones we've got. Oh my god, look at the blue like parrot ones. Cute. We're going in the waterfall. Oh my god, look, you can see the volcano as well. This is our room. I've got a little, I reckon it's like a shell or something, like a flower, towel, and then this is our view. So gorgeous. And then that is the volcano. And it's so quiet out here. And then there's the pool. I'm going in the pool in a sec. So gorgeous. Ignore everything about this, but a quick update. First day in Costa Rica done. It is so stunning here. It's like all jungle, everything's so vibrant, like the weather's so great at the moment, but look how vibrant it still is. Beautiful. So we've just been for a swim, as you saw earlier. We woke up today, went on like a 4-hour drive to this waterfall, La Fortuna waterfall, and we went for a swim. It was literally like being in a wave pool, like the rapids. I was fighting for my life in that waterfall. I tell you that for free. And then we took loads of nice cute pickies, went for a swimsy, we went for lunch, and then we've come to this hotel, which is our hotel for the next 2 nights. And some of the girls have just gone into town. Me and 2 of the other girls are just gonna get ready now and head into town. Apparently there's like bars with live music. I'm not being funny, I need to hear some live music fairly soon. Get a few drinks in me. I'm not massively hungry, but maybe I have something to eat. But obviously I will bring you along. Yay, love Costa Rica. We're just out for a drink. I've got this cocktail. It was called a red Tico sour. It's guado, which is like a local drink, like liquor made from sugarcane, and hibiscus something and something else. But it came up with like a stick of like meringue on it with like really spicy salt. So good, and the cocktail's really good as well. It's so humid here. I just came out of my room and put my glasses on and they just fogged up immediately. But I'm just currently reading my book. Just waiting for the other girls to wake up. We woke up at, well, I woke up at 5:20 to try and catch the sunset. But we didn't see a whole lot because it was fairly cloudy. This is the view from like the little balcony outside my room. How beautiful. And this here is a volcano, which we're going up today, I think. But you can't really see it because it's really cloudy. Everything is so vivid and colourful here. It's so pretty. Good morning everyone, just been to breakfast at our hotel. We're staying at La Secreto in Costa Rica, in La Fortuna, I think that's the name. I'm just getting ready now. Today we are off on a volcano hike. The weather's gorgeous today, it's a lot less cloudy than it was yesterday. Volcano hike, then we're coming back to the hotel for lunch, and then this afternoon / this evening we are doing the Tabacon hot springs. So excited for that. So that's the plan for today. But I'm just gonna get ready now and then I will see you at the volcano. Let's go! We're at the first viewpoint and it's so rocky. Oh my god. Is that the sea? Or a lake? This is so pretty. Especially my friend's birthday. That looks so scary. This is round 2. I don't know why my camera zooms in so much. Round 2 of me trying spicy things that I know I don't like, but I just do it anyway. It's so fun. I'm gonna have a tiny bit. That's enough. Yeah. Okay. First of all, it smells like coals. It just smells hot. That wasn't enough to do anything. Bear with. Shit, that was too much. Okay. That one's a lot better than the other one. That one's nice. Oh, hold on. Hold on a sec. Whoa. No, that's not too bad. That's nice, I like that one. The other one, that guy was out for blood. And you can hear it in his laugh as well. Guys, I've gone for a really traditional Costa Rican dish. I got the pumpkin soup with garlic breads. Yummy. Really good. Really yummy and fun and fresh. It's also boiling. Let's do a taste test together.
So I'm going to try.
Bit of garlic bread, really crispy, yummy, yummy, yummy. Yum.
We tried the one?
Yeah. Love it. Thanks for watching. Back again with our second Costa Rican delicacy. Pesto pasta. Yummy. Love this one. Let's do a taste. This is my go-to hangover mix.
Oh yeah, that's
smelling good. I reckon this is fresh pasta. It needs a bit of salt. Truth be known. It's nice.
salt.
Yeah, I love salt. Last meal of the night. It's so pretty. She's pink. This is a mousse of some sort. What's it called? Churchill mousse.
Churchill mousse.
Oh yeah.
Churchill like that. V for victory. Hello. Taste test. Can you eat the flowers, do you reckon?
I love that stuff too.
Ooh. It smells like Neapolitan.
Well, if you want to go and nailed it, because I'm like such a bad baby.
That was good.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't like that word. You said your English wasn't good. Okay.
Okay, miss, take a seat. Bend your legs up and lean back. Ready, miss? It's a little push for you, okay?
Woo!
I'm gonna get back and I will have recorded nothing except us sitting here chatting. Going,
Is it on? Is it off? Is it on? Is it on?
much more pleasant than Lao when we had to trek. We had to physically trek up ourselves. There was none of this lift.
I was expecting the trek too.
I was.
Yeah.
I'm glad we're not.
The trek like the wall.
Guys, we're going above the clouds! I'm so excited. Oh, you jump backwards!
Oh, is that like what it is? Jump and go down.
Here it is. Yeah. Go Charlie, go Charlie, go Charlie, go Charlie, go Charlie, go
last night we went to the Tabacon Hot Springs. It was the most gorgeous place I've ever seen in my life. So you're all wonky. It's basically like water runoff from, I don't know how it works, from near the volcano or something. Anyway, it's like naturally hot springs, clues in the name. And it's gorgeous. I didn't even take much footage then. I'm so annoyed at myself. I'll have to ask some of the other girls if they've got like videos. But it's basically just like this huge park of natural hot tubs. It was gorgeous, and there's like a spa there as well, and we had dinner. We had like a 3-course dinner with the girls, so that was really cute. I'll put up some pictures that we took at the springs. It was gorgeous. If you're ever in Costa Rica and you're in the La Fortuna area, do go to the Tabacon Hot Springs. It's like thermal pools, and as I said, there's a spa. You could literally spend the whole day there. There's a swim-up bar. It was just stunning. It was so pretty. And then we had our last night at our hotel that we were at for 2 nights, which was La Secreto in La Fortuna. So we left there this morning and we went on like a 3-hour drive to a new area called Monteverde, and we did our zip lining in literally like the top of the rainforest. It was insane. We took some really cute like sunset pics on the way back. Tonight we're at a new hotel. This one's really cute. It's called Calathea, and I think tonight we're just gonna have our driver drive us into town. I think we're gonna get dressed up because we haven't really dressed up. I think we're gonna get dressed up, go into town, get some dinner, maybe some food and drinks, and then I think we're gonna go in Alex and Charlie's room tonight because they've got like a apartment kind of thing, and have some of that. So yeah, that is caught you up to speed. We're on day 4, I think. We're here for 10 days, so lots more to come. But I just wanted to update you because, yeah, I haven't really spoken too much. Bye!